So these are the sweet potato brownies that I made the other day, especially for this trip. They are delicious. They've certainly helped keep me fueled so far today. Welcome back everybody to another episode of Eats, Cleats and Jeets. Join me in the cyclist's kitchen. Now, if you have been watching any of my recent cycling videos, you'll know that my mid-ride fueling has been really quite bad and it's really affected my performance and my recovery. So today we're going to make a couple of different things that you can make easily at home that you can consume whilst you're on the bike. And the first of those today is a sweet potato brownie. These sweet potato brownies are an excellent healthy version to the more traditional sugary recipe. You won't be missing out on any of the fudgy goodness, and they are considerably cheaper than energy gels for when you are out on the bike. These are so tasty they can be eaten whenever. Unlike sugary snacks, the complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes provide a steady release of glucose, preventing energy crashes during long rides. The combination of natural sugars and starches in cooked sweet potato helps efficiently restock muscle glycogen stores both during and after intense exertion. Packed with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports muscle function, and magnesium, which aids in relaxation and recovery. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which is vitamin A, and vitamin C, which help combat oxidative stress from intense exercise and support the immune system. The fibre content aids digestion and limits mid-ride stomach discomfort whilst maintaining gut health, and the butter and eggs provide healthy fats and protein to support muscle repair. If you haven't seen them already, you can check out how the brownies fared on my bikepacking epic down to Dorset from London through the New Forest. I've got a couple of videos on my channel. I must admit they did a great job of keeping me fueled, and I will definitely be making some more for my next big trip. If you have any homemade recipes that you like to take out with you on the bike, I would love to hear about them. So I've just taken these out of the oven. They were in there for 23 minutes. They're looking pretty gooey, quite soft. So I'm going to leave them for an hour to cool and then we'll cut. Okay, so this has been cooling for a couple of hours now, and it is time to cut and to try this bad boy. So I'm just going to cut off a corner here. So it's quite gooey, as you can see. Give it a try. This is really delicious. It's the first time I've actually made it using made brownies using sweet potatoes before, and it's not as sugary sweet as if you were to use a load of sugar and flour, obviously. So it's going to be better for you. Super simple to make. I was able to whip these up in around about half an hour, cooked for 25 minutes. Or less, and then you let it cool for an hour. I am now going to cut this up and wrap them in pieces of tin foil, ready for the weekend, and hopefully try and avoid eating every single piece before that happens. So let me know in the comments if you try this and what you think, and I will see you out there. Thanks a lot.